What we are going to do here is look at how to set up and configure the IBM Maximo context provider. What this agent does is it allows you to read data from an IBM Maximo system and provide that context to the rest of your data stream. What I want to do now is to add this agent to my canvas. So I'm going to go to the toolbox and search for it. You'll find it under Context Providers. To add this agent to your data stream, click on it and drag it to the canvas. As soon as you drop it, you will see that a default name will be given to it. To rename this agent, click on the white space and start typing. Click somewhere else on the canvas and click Save. To configure this agent, double-click on it. First, make sure you're using the correct collection. If you'd like to change this, just select another one from the drop-down. Then you need to set the polling interval. I'm going to leave it as 10. Because this agent is a context provider, it will get all the data it needs and store it in memory. If the polling interval is set to 10, it means that the cache will be refreshed every 10 seconds. In the authentication section, add the URL of the Maximo instance you'd like to connect to. Add your username. Add your password. Then select your authentication method. I'm going to leave it as native. Then select the Maximo object you'd like to get the context from. Select one or more properties that you'd like to include in the output. I want to include asset ID, asset num, and description. Then you can add any filter criteria that you would like. This is just a statement that determines which records are led through given a certain criteria. For example, I only want records that have an asset ID over 500. Lastly, set the maximum number of records returned. For example, I want this to be 10. Click Apply. Click Save. To run your data stream, click on Publish. To view the live data, click on Live View. Select your agent and click Save. And give it a second. And you will see data start coming through. As you can see, only 10 records are returned at a time. To expand this page, click on Maximize.